Hi, I'm Drew Klaber with Mitutoyo America Corporation. Today I'd like to show you a demonstration of our USB Input Tool Direct communication cable. The input tool is an easy way to get data from a gauge into a computer. 7 different cables are available, one for each type of Digimatic connection. Some gauges have the data output button. For the gauges that don't, the cable will provide one for you. The cables are plug and play, no setup is required, and no drivers are needed. To begin collecting data, simply plug one end of the cable into your measuring tool and the other end into an available USB port. Once the input tool is connected, data can be transferred into any program that can accept data from a USB keyboard. For more information on the Input Tool Direct cables, visit us online at www.mitutoyo.com or give us a call at 888-MITUTOYO.